Hey, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and I am summer ready with my beautiful rubber tote from Rick Mara.
Not only is this rubber tote so adorable as it is, it also comes with the most adorable charms that you can add to the holes on the front or the back of the bag. It comes with a little bow, a pear, a pineapple, and a flower. So cute. The quality of this material is really top notch. It's a nice thick rubber that you know it's going to last you a really long time. This bag can hold a ridiculous amount of stuff. So perfect to take to the beach or the pool. You can fit multiple towels in here, plus everything else you need to have fun in the sun. Especially if you have a little one, you know that you need to carry so much stuff with you. So this is the perfect bag. This bag is also perfect to take to the market with you because you can fit a ton of groceries in here and don't have to use plastic bags. It also fits perfectly in the front of a shopping cart and it stands up on its own.
So if you're looking for a large tote, definitely check out Rick Mara. This rubber tote is so beautiful and practical. You're gonna love it, and that's my point of view.